Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Anklicken. Today we are going to click and learn the verb anklicken. 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 Anklicken is a verb that means to click on something. A useful verb often used in computer language. Etwas anklicken und ziehen. To click and drag something. Sie können es hier anklicken und hören. You can click and listen to it here. Mit der rechten Maustaste im Fenster anklicken. Right-click the data in the window. Sie müssen das Menü oben anklicken. You have to click on the menu on the top. Da musst du dieses Wort anklicken. You have to click on the word here. Anklicken is one of those verbs that will get a little bit out of hand. Yes, unfortunately, it's a separable one. Ich klicke an. Du klickst an. Er klickt an. Wir klicken an. Ihr klickt an. Sie klicken an. As you can see, the prefix an gets detached from the rest of the verb and thrown at the end. Ich klicke an. For example, du klickst das Menü an. You click on the menu. And in the past, hat angeklickt, meaning clicked. Du hast das Menü angeklickt. You clicked on the menu. Klickte an. Du klicktest das Menü an. You clicked on the menu. Werd anklicken. Du wirst das Menü anklicken. You will click on the menu. In today's lesson, we learned the separable verb anklicken, to click on something. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Kannst du es anklicken? Can you click on it? Write your answers in the comments and get the chance to win a completely free beginner German course. Check out if you want a free course and also get the answers to this exercise in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!